Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video series I will be demonstrating magnification apps on the iPad. Technically, videoing apps on an iPad is quite a complicated thing to do, and so if there are a few awkward silences then please bear with me. Another piece of important technical information is that this app was used on an iPad which was running iOS version 8.3. Magnification apps are mainly targeted at people who are visually impaired. They make use of an iPad's camera in order to make things that you are looking at with the camera larger. In this video series I will be testing 9 free magnification apps. I will take you through the download process in the App Store, demonstrate the different functions and features, and look at a piece of text to analyse the quality of the app. I will use the terms magnification and zoom interchangeably. So let's open up the App Store and get the first magnification app. And here it is, up here in the top left. It is Magnifying Glass with light. So if you want to type that into your search bar, and then you will get that app coming up. Now as you can see on my iPad, because I've already downloaded it, it says open. On your iPad you will see the word get. So if you touch the word get and download the app, it is free. It will download in a minute or less. Unusually for the apps I will be looking at today, this app has had 17 reviews on the App Store, getting 4 out of 5 marks. Now when we open the app, there is a clean and clutter-free look to the app. At the bottom of the app is an ad that takes up about 10% of the screen. You can see at the moment it's advertising Google. And it's important to remember that on most free apps there will be ads running. Just above the ad is the bar, the zoom or magnification bar, with which you can control the level of magnification that you want on the app. This bar, as we can see, is quite small and close to the ad as well, so that could be a bit tricky that if you click on the ad or touch the ad instead of touching the magnification bar. Now on the right hand side of the bar is a high contrast button. It's a circle that's black and white. Now that enables a high contrast mode, but as we can see, that mode is only available if we were to buy the Pro version of the app. With this app you can magnify the image on the camera by 5 times, and you can see that that's just quickly displayed on the screen there. At the top this app works with the front and rear facing cameras. At the moment we are looking at some newspaper using the rear facing camera, but the top left of your screen is a camera icon, and if you touch on that it takes us forward to using the front facing camera, which is just a blur because at the moment that's focused on my ceiling. So let's go back to the rear facing camera and the text that we're looking at. Now another icon that we've got in the center of the screen at the top takes us between auto and lock. And I'm not quite sure what that feature does. I thought that that feature allowed you to set the magnification at a certain level and then lock it so that you couldn't accidentally change it. But it doesn't do that, unfortunately. Another feature is top right hand corner, we've got the letter I, which is your settings menu. And that encourages you to upgrade to the Pro version. And it's got other features there that you can see, which are mostly enabled when you buy the Pro version for $149. Let's come out of that. Now the good news is that this app did not seem to crash at any point during the several tests that I've run on it. We can also see that the app works in portrait and landscape mode as well. So this is the portrait mode that I had it in. But if I flip it to landscape mode, it works then as well. Although unfortunately the bar doesn't move. And that's what happens if you accidentally touch the ad. Now we can see from the text that it's looking at that it magnifies, it zooms in and out with a lot of clarity. So that's really good. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and look out for my other videos on free magnification apps on the iPad. If you want to ask any questions or join the discussion, then please do so in the video below.